So here we are at 211 South Santa Cruz in Ventura, California. Rent is $17.45. Deposit is $18.50. It's a one-bedroom, all new paint, brand new floors throughout the whole house. Really cute, very big size bedroom, new carpet and paint, all freshly remodeled. There's closet space. Here's the brand new bathroom, brand new toilet and vanity, shower, nice ventilated apartment. Like I said, it's all fully remodeled. Then we have the kitchen, new cabinets, new granite countertops. Everything in this place is freshly painted and new. Located in downtown Ventura. Has its own balcony. Very private in the back. The neighbors are super awesome, and feel free to contact the property manager. It comes with the garage also. Okay, thanks. Bye.